Hello, this is Amin from Onyx, your trusted experts for all things printers. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to determine if your HP LaserJet Pro 4101 FDW's printer cartridge is empty.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
The first step is printing a test page. This allows you to assess the appearance of your cartridge and gather valuable information about your printer. Here are the steps to print this page. Swipe down from the top of your screen and click the gear icon. Swipe all the way down to reports and open it. Swipe down to supply status and click it. Your printer will now print the supply status page. Next, check the number of pages that have been printed by this printer. If you're using an A-size cartridge, it's generally recommended to replace it after approximately 1,500 pages. However, if you're using an X-size cartridge, you can wait until around 4,500 pages have been printed. Keep in mind these numbers can vary based on your toner usage. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.